what's up? My name is Tony and I'm the co-founder of the Hire Company. In today's video, I'll be doing the part 2 review of the Hemp Soy Wax. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. So as you can see, y'all can see I have the 2 candles that I made, one with color and one without color. And today I'll be telling you like the performance of the wax. I'll be going over the details. And I'll be going over the details that's on their website, and I'll tell you my opinion or my experience with the wax. So again, if you didn't watch the part 1 video, it is a luxurious hemp soy container wax. So it's just meant for container candles only. It has a natural blend of hemp, soy, coconut, and food grade paraffin. It says it has exceptional adhesion and provides an excellent cold throw and hot throw. So let's get into those 2 specs first. So it says it has excellent adhesion like to the glass. So as you can see, I'll also insert a video if you can't see. It is coming up off of the glass a bit, but like I said, that is something you will experience with soy wax. So it's not a deal breaker for me. Soy wax does come with cons that's unavoidable. And in terms of the cold throw and the hot throw, so the cold throw, I feel like with any candle, well, most candles is always good, but the hot throw is what we're mostly concerned about. The hot throw for me was really good. I did the same thing. I burnt them. I put them next to my TV. I went out of the room and I came back in, and it was way better than the first wax that I had from the Wood and Wick Co., which was the Beeswax, but those are 2 different types of waxes. So this one was really good. Now, in terms of like how the candle looks after you burned it and like let it cool again. So this one, if you remember from my last 2 candles, the color that I was using, I assume just from my observation, wasn't allowing the candle to burn properly. But this one burned almost all the way out to decide like to make a full melt through. So that was interesting to see with this one. And as you can see, I really hope you can. If you can't, I will insert a video. But the top of the candle is very smooth, like even smoother than a soy 10 candle. Like it just looks like completely flat, no imperfections, nothing. And I really think that's the food grade paraffin coming into work here, because you know paraffin is like a wax that doesn't come with many cons, and it's like your perfect candle basically. That's why people will mix soy and paraffin, so that you get like the good like materials and stuff, like the good benefits that come out of the soy wax, but then you also have a candle that looks excellent with the paraffin. So I feel like that's the paraffin coming into play in these candles with the smooth tops. They claim that the wax can easily hold 9 to 10%. In the part 1 video, you will see that I pushed the fragrance load percentage to the highest, and I would agree with that. It can hold that amount of fragrance oil because it doesn't have like the little oil splotches on top. If the wax can't hold the oil, it'll squeeze it up to the top and you'll see like little oil like splotches along. But I pushed the max fragrance oil load, and it's holding it up properly. It's not too much oil in there to where the wick can't like flick it off and give you that hot throw that you want. All right, y'all, so my overall review is I really do like this wax. It is a bit on the pricier side, so I would say, I know a lot of people try to get soy 10, which is getting up there in priciness as well. Should be considered a luxury wax if you ask me. But this one, so at 11 pounds, it's about $40. It is $38.95 for 11 pounds. And for 50 pounds, it's $184, and that's excluding shipping. So yeah, it is a luxury wax. That's for 55 pounds. It's $184.95 for 55 pounds. So if you can't get your hand on another type of wax that you would want, this hemp soy, another soy wax, because they're usually always out of stock, this hemp soy is one that has good quality. So you know, like sometimes you'll struggle with 464 or something with the hot throw, or having to go over the top again with the heat gun. This I didn't have to do I didn't have to do any of that with these candles using the wax. So I'll say give it a try. If you want to have a luxury brand, you could go ahead and, or a luxury candle brand, and you want to use luxury wax, you could go ahead and use this wax. I feel like this was a very quick review, but it wasn't anything wrong with it to me, other than it coming up off of the size button. Like I said, that's a given with soy wax. I did mention in my, I think it was the first part 2s that I started doing, that I will have a giveaway. The giveaway instructions will be in the description box, so keep a lookout for that. We'll go ahead and read the description box if you want to enter the giveaway. And y'all, that's really it. Don't forget to watch the rest of the videos on our channel and in this series. I'll have one linked up in the cards above and at the end of this video. So that's it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.